The other day keka kone players no it be my bye and I'm a bay Zakaria for CD dear. Not too long ago, within 24 hours, player friend Joseph Amoah. And so I could delete in the photos a Facebook or Kotoko GC. I said just say into Oha had the mediator zone. Ni profile pictures no were ye the or the Kotoko ye in everywhere. And ni normal images a wa upload no so wayi de na Kotoko GC ni na tamane unveiling ni nyina na players e dey na help sebi kra sa club ne so no ntimi nya adwuma yi. I don't think say necessary say obekwa could delete Kotoko photos we dey in your life no Kotoko. You've passed through Kotoko, and I say when you're a chapter of your life at Kotoko. And what's the point there? Omu delete photos. Let's go no munsuadio, and they are terminating contract. What minka says here, but omu kwani because entity say at least 3 or 4 players be. Ebesa akoso Kwame Poku, Chi Bafo Awuchi. Francis Aqua any Benjamin Chum so far 4 mukono no nti ene say 4 bi ana say 3 eba abeso so ama na 7 na in the 2007 season is as nya meka to Kotoko be sign players 8 abeka ho na at least 8 so ede eko na me de players ne ye no medwen ho a mentiase hwe photos le da ho no sisi udu wani hwema ba kokura no a Kotoko atade because ntiti ene say one ha Kotoko be terminate your contract, but as we speak Kotoko nso embeka say o terminate contract, but the Kotoko ye no nso kwan bi so me ne omo ya adwe won say Kwame Poku de no Kotoko mfa officiality bia eye between Kotoko any player na deal nti letter no eye player na be ko no ho nti bibi say no e betima ba say letter no ko player no ho na emum no enye publication bia and I was say any bibia na was a Kotoko ye publication so they are denying it is quite unfortunate and no Zakaria for saying we could delete any photos or ye Kotoko related and Joseph Amoah momu busa na sign as number 3 and say no na coach na person use na center back make a coach na new coach Eric Tinkler but nyoma my din amana yes ntiti say one hwa obeka players every party ways with, but me busa still identina players no it could delete omo photos omo Kotoko atade mekai you call South Africa you were part of the team or could delete it, but oh yeah there in your life you have a chapter about Kotoko in the no what's it